Hello, in this video we will look at how we create a CropScanAg and an Engage account. To create a CropScanAg Cloud account, you'll visit CropScanAg.com, and then in the top right hand corner you click CropScanAg Cloud. You can do this on your mobile phone as well. It doesn't matter. Then you'll go to Grower, sign up if you're a grower, and then add in your details. And then put in your address. And then on your phone number, make sure that you put in the international dialing code, because that will then allocate the correct units to your account. And so depending on where you are in the world, whether it'll be kilograms and hectares or acres and pounds, will be determined by the international dialing code. So then you'll click submit, and then you'll get a confirmation code sent to your email address. And the confirmation code comes on the email, so you can either type it in or copy it, whatever you need to do. Pop it into the confirmation code, and then that will verify your account. And then you can sign in. And your account is ready to go.